Hey guys, check out these handheld frames. They are silk folding fan with bamboo frame. So they come in a pack of 4. They are super cute. You can use this for anything. You can use this for cosplay. You can use these for weddings, or honestly, you can just use these if you're just super hot and you just want something that is very portable. You can put it in your purse, your backpack, anything. So it comes in a pack of 4, like I said. So it comes with these great inspired Japanese pictures. So like, here's like a little branch with flowers on it. Here is a blue one with more flowers on it. Here's the black one with another tree. It looks like cherry blossoms. And then here come it. The other one is blue as well with some butterflies. It comes like this little tassel, super cute. And when we fold them up, they can just fold up super skinny, super small, just like this. So you can just have them in your backpack, like I said, anywhere where you want. So give them a try.